Oh,
Sabi na, record.
dali na. Oh, turn around, turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming around.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears.
Turn around.
Oh, si Johnson naman.
Darling, darling, doing, turn around. Darling, turn around, bright eyes. Everybody's up to turn around, bright eyes. Everybody's around the park. And I need you more tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you hold me close, me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Anyone's gonna make it right. We'll be alone. Together we will stand to the end of the line. Never say shout, it's all the time. All the time. I don't know what I can do. One more, we in the dark. Never like a shadow, yeah, give it up for. Hurry, I need you tonight. Forever's gonna stop tonight. Forever's gonna stop tonight.
Once upon a time I was falling in love.
Now I'm only falling apart.
There's nothing I can say. So on the lips of the heart.
So on the lips of the heart.
Yeah, galing.
You turn your heads when you walk to the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room is here. Everyone else but you. Baby, light up power like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me over. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see. You understand why I want you so desperately. I know I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Wow, galing ah. Eh ano yun? Grenade, grenade, grenade. Ni Bruno Mars.
That's why you leave. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was just from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, but they were open. Give you all I had, you toasted in the trash, toasted in the trash. You did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask of. You don't understand, it's like catching grenade for you. Hold my hand on a blade for you. I'll jump in front of a train for you. You know I'd do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Umiyak na naman si Mami. Oh, umiyak na naman si
Ginagalingan mo kasi yung kanta mo eh.
Nami-miss na namin siya. Oh, bumalik ka na. Alis na dyan. Dito ka na sa Pilipinas.
Yan, nagkakos.
Tapos
Yung galingan yung kanta mo.
Gusto, miss ka na ni Daddy. Pati ni Johnson. Di ba pa huli si RJ? Miss ka na namin, uwi ka na. Huwag ka na dyan, dali ka na dito sa bahay. Mag-e-aircon tayo 2 oras. Pero dadagdagan na naman pagtulog na si Daddy. Magigising kami pag ginaw. Oo, sabihin naman sa lubitana. Aarting na naman kami, sabi mainit sa labas. Sarado mo muna bintana. Gusto pa namin 1 oras. Malamig na yun. Facebook naman. Alis na dyan. Sabi ni Mommy, Facebook naman daw. Eh ayaw. Ikaw na naman po. Magka-upload lang ako ng pictures. 5 minutes na sige, 1 or 5 minutes lang. At sandali lang yun. I-upload lang ako ng mga pics. May picture kayo dyan, no? Oh. Lalo na dati, oh, yung kakain na dapat tayo. Picture! Picture muna. YouTube, mami. Picture muna para kakain. Ano ata, 12 minutes? Luto ko na po din sa ipa-fry. Ipa-fry. Ang itlog na hirap pa sa akin. Ang pumuputok na fishball. Pumuputok na fishball. Ay! Ano ba yan? Sabi ni Mami.
Sige, thank you. Bye-bye. Johnson, taas ka.
Basta pa.
Taas mo mukha mo.
Basta na mukha mo.
Yeah, pogi. Smile, umayos ka. Smile. Si kuya mo, pogi, oh. Magkamukha na kayo.
Oh, yay!
Para na kayong kambal. Babay na. Sabi ko, yung masaya, naiiyak ako sa inyo.
Masaya naman po yun.
Asan si Daddy?
Totoo.
Patingin ng si Daddy, ano ginagawa? Tulog.
Bulagta. Nalasing.
Tanggalin mo yung unan. Uminom ba yon? Tanggalin mo unan, dali. Huwag mong guluhin yung ano. For 40 pa lang pala. Kala ko alas 8 na. Sige na. Asa na si kuya?